I like to do this so we get everyone straight in to the group, get them standing in a circle, and instead of doing introductions, we play this game. So you have a ball or a teddy bear or anything really that you can safely throw to each other. You say, I have the ball and I'm going to throw it to John, but I'm going to say to the group my name. So I throw it, Lauren. The next person gets it and they throw it and say their name until everyone in the group has had a turn to say their name. You can develop on this game. You get it back to you, and then after you feel like confident that everybody's said their names, maybe go around the circle, make sure everyone's had 2 or 3 goes until we've kind of got the idea people are going to drop it, it's going to be fun, there's going to be laughter, or people might not enjoy it, but either way you're going to get to know each other's names, and there's not going to be that awkwardness of having to, everyone going around the circle and the last one feeling like, oh my god, I've got to say my name. I get anxious when I have to do that, so I love these games. Then you, after 3 rounds, depending on how you feel, how the group feels, it should be like a 5-minute game really, and then you develop it to throw it saying another person's name. So you throw the ball and you say their name, and then hopefully as other people are throwing, you'll start to remember people's names. And for me, I find it hard to remember people's names, so that gives me another opportunity to remember, and then to try and throw it to new people to remember their names, and then you can get it back. To develop this, you can add another ball and create a pattern. So I would throw it to John would throw it to Lisa, etc. And then so you go in that pattern, you create a pattern of where the ball is going, and this gets everyone hand-eye coordination going. It makes everyone stop, be in the room, not thinking about anything on the outside, totally focused. No one has time to worry, to think. They're just literally remembering the pattern. Now the next thing is to, once you've got it halfway going round, once everyone's got the hang of it, probably take a while to kind of, maybe like 3 or 4 goes to get the pattern going, so people understand depending on who you're working with. If it's might be people who have English as a second language, so it might take a bit longer or a bit shorter, with the second ball, so that there's 2 balls going round. And then after people have got used to that and got confident with that, after dropping them and laughing and playing and being silly, then you enter the 3rd ball, and that's when it gets really crazy. And that should take about it can be like 5 minutes, or it can be, you can long it out a bit and have it for 10 minutes. But either way, it's like a fun way to get people to introduce themselves, relinquish kind of the fear because they're not thinking, be engaged, be in the room, and the energy's rising because you're all standing up, you're all engaging, and you're all on the same level because you're in a circle. That's what I love about circles. Everyone's equal, so no matter what kind of levels of staff or people and teachers or pupils, or you can have them all working together and we're all the same. There's no hierarchy, and that's why I love these workshops and I love these games. That's why I want to share them with you. So I'm going to be doing one of these videos once a week to kind of share my knowledge with you, and I hope this helps you. I'll see you soon. I'm going to doing 1 or 2 of these a week, probably on a Saturday and a Wednesday, but I hope you enjoyed it.